This is the little beach area right in front of my building. That is the room right there. And there's the walkway, little bench if you want to sit out here. And then the pool is right there. It's about a 30-second walk. That's one of the quiet pools. Hello everybody, this is a room tour of 4219 at Walt Disney World's Caribbean Beach Resort. This is a preferred room, which is a preferred location requested by the Skyliner, and it's about a 3-minute walk to the Skyliner. So as you walk in, as you can see, there's 2 queen beds, table and chairs. This is my view from the room. I did request a ground floor as well. There's that nice beach right there. I don't normally see anybody sitting out there during the day, but in the evening people are sitting in the hammocks. Mirror. I bought the refillable mug, and this is the design currently. And then you have 2 more outlets. This time there's a USB-C and a USB-A. Nice big deep drawer. There's another one down below. This one is still deep and wide, just not very long. This bench. And then the extra bed here. Nice mural of Mickey and Pluto there. Obviously, that bed is for a child. I mean, if you're pretty short, I guess you could sleep there. Nice size TV. And then you have your little Cuisinart. And you can make, I guess, coffee and tea out of that. Your ice bucket. And yes, there are 2 more outlets and 2 more USBs back there. And then this is your beverage cooler. It's not a refrigerator, a beverage cooler. It did get pretty cold since I've been here, so that's good. And then your closet area. Iron. That's a steamer. And then your extra pillow blanket, your safe. And then underneath the sinks, you have storage. There's a hair dryer, extra toilet paper, tissues, towels. This has 2 sinks. You do not get a pump with hand soap. They still give you just a bar soap. Towel rack. Your makeup mirror. And the light does work. And then your toilet and shower area. These rooms need a bit of refurbishment. It's been, I think, like 10 years. And there's your shower knob, bathtub. As you can tell, it looks a bit old. I mean, it's fine, but I mean, they can use a little bit of a facelift. The bed is very comfortable. So are the pillows. And there are 3 trash cans. There's this little one. Then there's one in the bathroom. And then there's one over there by the sink. And I guess that's it for this room tour of 4219 at Walt Disney World's Caribbean Beach Club. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.